And he's super nice. He shakes everyone's hand. Flight attendants are telling people, go to your seat. And they're like, nope. Talking to him.
Goodbye.
And they're like, we're not asking you, we're telling you. They're like, I don't give a shit. I'm not going anywhere. It takes forever. We leave late. I don't say anything. About half an hour is left in the flight. And then I tell myself,
I was hoping he was going to roll.
Say something. So you're never going to run into him again.
Cool, this is a kick
so I get
ass.
out.
And I got it on camera too.
And I go,
love it if I run this stop sign, wouldn't you? You'd love it.
The stop sign's not for you.
Yes, it is for me. It says traffic from right does not stop. He said the stop sign is not for me.
Drunk motherfucker. This guy is crazy. He was swerving all over the road. I don't know what this guy's doing. Can you see that? When his flash was on and he's trying to like cut people off. He was trying to run that U-Haul truck off the road. Oh, he got caught.
Mile. If we have a f***ing death hole.
In the respect for the dead, it's now the hard left that's coming for Gifford. This on a group, is there anybody
okay, Presto.
More of a
Oh, shit! Wow. Guys, y'all alright? Y'all okay?
Days ago in Wilmington, Biden said a mask mandate checked out.
Our legal team thinks I can do that based upon.
$3396 right now. To see if you were eligible for substantial compensation, call 800.
Oh, we're real smart. That's not legal here.
That's 800.
You killed more.
Or is it legal anywhere?
Yeah, California. You're only allowed to go like so many miles per hour faster than traffic. It's like 5.
Oh.
What?
Confrontation time.
Did he hit him?
I try to be everything that I can.
Want me to roll?
But sometimes I come out.
Should I pull over? I got it on camera. Is he running?
Please be careful, Josh, okay? Please.
Careful about what?
Like being on the highway.
A ton of cars pulled over.
Okay. Please be careful.
Good guy though. And he's got a Netflix special out right now. That's right. Really.
Maybe this police station. Police station. Oh, huge crash.